Hey everybody, it is Heath with the Vacation Voyagers, and we are headed to Galveston, Texas for our Carnival Jubilee cruise. This will be our very first time ever in Galveston, Texas, where we will actually stay the night. We're staying at the Tremont Hotel right across the cruise port. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to seeing what this little city has to offer. And I cannot wait to show you what we've got going on when we get on this cruise ship. It's going to be a lot of firsts on this cruise. So stick around and let's do it. All right, guys, we are finally in Galveston. Wasn't too bad, about a 45-minute ride from the airport in Houston to here. We are staying at the Tremont House, and I will do a proper tour of the hotel here in just a second, but this is the road we're on. Cool little area. We leave tomorrow. We're on the Carnival Jubilee. It's the first time we ever stayed here at the Tremont, so this should be interesting. Our room is not ready yet, so we're gonna have to probably walk around, find a place to eat, and hopefully we can walk around here and check some stuff out, see what they got going on here in Galveston, Texas. I do want to hit this corner real quick. From what I understand, the port is like right across the street from this hotel, so I'm gonna make a turn real quick and see. And there it is. It's not too far. All right, let's go inside and check this hotel out. Now we are coming straight into the entrance of the Tremont. We've already checked in. We got our baggage put up until our room is ready. But yeah, here is the main lobby. Very, what would you say? Almost like Louisiana, New Orleans style. Sweet. Got a piano right there, a bar right there. Main lobby right here. There's the travelers that I'm picked up for the week. All right, travelers, are we ready to go out? Hey, you're more than welcome to take both of them.
No, get it off, get it off.
How did you get into that mess?
It'll take both hands.
All right. All right, let's go check this place out. So yeah, this is Galveston. It's the last time I was here, as I was saying, July 21, went on the Carnival Breeze.
I'll stay here.
There is the port directly in front of me. I don't know what Voyager T is doing, but apparently what is she doing? Oh, cool. Playground, patio, and bar. Oh, we got some thingies. What are those things called?
Segways.
Segways. We should have rented some of those. But yeah, really cool little area right here. We're gonna go find us a place to eat. Voyager T went over there to the Shark Shack to see if there was any kind of food there to eat. Oh, here we go. Sing it. Woo! Well, people are happy in Galveston. That's nice. That's nice. Ooh, there's Riondo's Ristorante Bar and Grill. I don't know why I'm just standing here. I'll just cross the street.
That is the locals' favorite. It's full.
It's full.
Here's a little intimate bar. Let's see what's up here.
Really cool little town. So yeah, as I was saying, the last time I was here, I cruised on the Carnival Breeze, but I shuttled straight here, got straight on the ship, so I didn't have a chance to even look at this town. So me and Voyager T decided to walk all the way down to the end of this street to see where our port is. Our port's right in front of us, but they've got a big, looks like an oil tanker. There's the NCL. Right there, Norwegian Cruise Line ship.
There's no sidewalk. We're not walking over there.
Yeah.
Is that where we check in? little.
I'm pretty positive this is where I got on the breeze. I'm pretty sure this is it right here. That is the cruise port. I'm gonna take a step back because I don't want to get hit by running cars. This is the first time I've actually been in the city.
I want to stand by that cold pole.
Yeah, Tiffany found a cold spot, so she wants to hang out there.
The Arctic Circle.
Oh, cool. Look at the sea turtle. So cool little town. All right, we're waiting to get to Shark Shack. See you all in there when we get in there. All right, we are in the Shark Shack. We went ahead and got some fried pickles and some hush puppies. Here's the menu. Look on the back, that's beer, margaritas. There's your lunch specials right here. There's a Chihuahua that is on a motorcycle with a guy, and I missed it, so I'm looking for him outside. If I see him, I'm going to go get him. Apparently, the Chihuahua is wearing a hat, and I want to see that. My shirt's a little dragging in. So I got the burger and the fries. Fries are not hot, almost like they've been sitting out for a while. Your fries cold? Time to dig in and see what this tastes like. Got a room, gonna open this big door. Look how big this door is. This door is huge. And here's our room. Look at this. It's nice. Yeah, big chair. See what our view looks like first before I show you the entire room. Oh yeah, a big oil rig or an oil tanker at our port area. Our port is right there where that big tanker is. Cool, so not very far at all. All right, let's do the quick room tour. We got 2 queens. So there's one, there's 2. Big open area too. Look how big these ceilings are. Nice trim work.
This is supposed to be haunted.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
And I'm out. I'll sleep really easy at night. Thank you. So they do have a cool little clock there. There's your telephone. A couple drawers. Nice looking beds. I bet these beds are, oh yeah, these beds are nice and comfy. Nice and soft. Whoa, big TV. Look how big that TV is. Big dresser drawer. Looky there. Up, there's our safe. Nice. Let's look right here. You never know what's in these things. That's why I like looking in here. All right, more drawer space. We got a Keurig. We'll look at that in a second. Oh, let me see what this does. Is that supposed to open? It looks like it's supposed to, but it's not. Oh, no, it doesn't do anything. Oh, cool, look at this. This looks like a luggage rack. Oh, refrigerator, nice. It's best she don't know that.
I'm telling. What did he do?
Uh-oh.
What did he do?
I didn't do anything. Here's our luggage. Hey, so we got our luggage, and again, really nice room. I'll show you the bathroom here in a second. So continuing with this little room right here, I thought this door was a conjoining room, but no, it's a closet. Adjoining, conjoining. I thought it was a door that goes to another room. There's the closet. It's got some extra bedding up there. Hey, I don't think so. I think you pinched my butt. And then here's the bathroom right here. Nice little room, like an old Victorian room. While we're at the hotel. I was trying to look to see what else this hotel had to offer. And here's one. Here's the fitness room right there. Really small, but it's got some weights and stuff. We've struck out on trying to get something to drink. This is a beef jerky place. We'll go in here and see what they got. I was looking to get a sweet tea, but struck out on that. So let's go in here and see what's going on. Oh yeah, they got some soft drinks, beef jerky, stuff like that. We'll go in here and check it out. Honey, oh yeah, definitely teas. Ooh, and sugars. Interesting. Strawberry sugar, pineapple sugar. All kinds of different salts, spices. But no regular black tea. I will continue to walk to see what I can find. Little gift shops and stuff around. There's a carriage. Look at that. I wonder if Voyager T would want to go on a ride with me on that bad boy. Doubt it. Oh, the puppy dogs. I've seen more dogs going up and down this area than I've seen anything. Yeah, no convenience stores. Nice historical buildings though. Oh, cool. Really interesting place though, I will say that. It's different than your average areas that you go for beaches and stuff like that. So we went back out and we just did some more walking around, went to some shops, just checked out Galveston in that little area. We were so tired from the flight, from getting up early for the flight, and then by the time we got to Galveston and we ate, got all of our stuff unpacked, we did previous walking earlier today, we were just bummed tired. But we did get out one more time before it got too dark. We went down to this dock. They had this famous steakhouse and they had the Arbor House, which is another hotel you can stay at, really nice. We tried to get as much as we could in. We did not go to the pier on the other side of Galveston. Next time we do a cruise and we go to Galveston, we're going to probably stay 2 days so we can go check out the pier as well. We were just really tired and we had a cruise to go to the next morning. That being said, we will see you guys tomorrow when we hit day 1 of our Carnival Jubilee cruise. Hope you enjoyed this video. We did love Galveston and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace and love, y'all. Bye.